Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Digital Navigator. Today's video will be a beginner's guide on how you can change regions on TikTok. We'll be sharing different methods on how you can influence and target a certain audience in a specific country, even if you don't live in that country. Simply using a VPN is not going to be enough for you to change regions on TikTok and sustain the amount of viewers or the audience that you will be reaching. For that reason, we'll be sharing several methods that you can use and incorporate in order to sustain the viewers that you want in the specific region that you want to target. That's why I highly recommend that you keep watching until the end and use each and every single one of these methods step by step as I'll be showing you. So a quick overview on how TikTok generally works is that if you create an account, let's say in Germany, then the majority of your audience or viewers, they will be German viewers. So now you might ask, why is this a bad thing and why do I want to change it? And the reason is simple. If let's say you're creating content where it's promoting a product that is trending in America, then the best thing for your business is that you reach the most American audience so that they can actually benefit from your content and buy that product, which will impact your business positively. However, if the majority of your audience is coming from a different country or region, then this is not the most ideal for your business. And in today's video, we're going to learn how we can change that and how we can view where our current audience is from. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to identify where the majority of your viewers are. And the way you can do that is that you can go ahead to your profile, so press on profile, and then select one of the videos that you have made. So for example, let's choose this one. And then you want to click on more data. And you will see a video analysis right here. Now note that the analysis will only start to show after you've activated the feature. Once you activate the feature and it starts, generating more views, then all the analytics will be shown right here and you can see where your traffic sources are. Now the first method that might pop in your head when changing regions on TikTok is probably using a VPN, but it is not the most ideal option. The reason for this is that TikTok uses the entirety of your device, collects information in order to know which audience to target. One of the first things that TikTok uses in order to know which region to place your account in is actually your SIM card. So in short, a SIM card is a small computer chip that is going to allow you to connect to whatever network provider is already loaded on it. So for example, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and so on. So information about the network provider and so on will be preloaded on this chip. So I highly recommend investing in a SIM card if you want to take your business on TikTok seriously. It doesn't really cost much, and I have personally tried this method and it worked for me. I bought a SIM card from Germany when I was living there, and then when I came back to my home country, I kept the SIM card in, and then I created a TikTok account while my SIM card, my German SIM card, was in the phone. And guess what? The majority of my viewers were all from Germany. They are inexpensive, and it is one of the safest ways on how you can change regions on TikTok. You can easily view SIM cards on Best Buy, eBay, and Walmart, and then select ones that suit you best. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that if you want to purchase a SIM card for a new TikTok account, make sure that you put the SIM card in first and then create the account. You can't use a new SIM card on an already created account. For best results, you will have to create it after you've put in the SIM card, so just keep that in mind, it's very important. The first thing that I'm going to be sharing with you is that first of all, you're going to have to make sure that your app is set in English and your preferred language is also in English. And the way to do this is that you want to go to Profile, press on this button right here, go to Settings and Privacy, and then you want to scroll down a little bit until you see a language. And then from here, you set your app language and your preferred languages to English. This is very important that you do that on both, so that you can get and reach the most English content. And then set the location where you want it to be. So for my example, I just set it in New York, and then press on set location, and that's it, it should be set for now. Now if you have an iPhone, you can easily go to the settings and search for your location services, turn them off, and then set your region to the United States. Now, VPNs are usually a good service only if you get the paid plan. There are free versions that you can try, but what they'll end up doing is slowing down your connection, and it's not going to be a very good experience for you to be posting or even surfing TikTok. So what I would recommend is ExpressVPN. So using ExpressVPN is great because they offer you a risk-free trial in which you can get your money back guaranteed if you didn't want, or if you don't want to continue with the subscription, if you don't like it, etc. They could also give you free offers like 3 months for free, so you can try it out, and if it works for you and it's all good, you can go ahead and purchase a membership plan. So guys, after following these steps, don't forget that you need to do them first and then create your new TikTok account. Once you've done that, you can start uploading content, and like I taught you, you can check your analytics and see if your region has been changed. And with that guys, we have reached the end of this video. I really hope that it helped. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments box down below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thank you once again for watching, and see you guys next time.